Hey y'all, I'm so glad you're here. In this video, I wanted to do a prayer journal entry on love. Now, when I'm speaking of love in this sense, I mean loving one another as human beings, because I have been having a little bit of a hard time controlling my anger and frustration with people, and I did a prayer journal entry on that, and it made me realize that I'd been slacking in my one-on-one time with God, my quiet time, reading the Bible, praying, doing all of my prayer journaling and whatnot. I had slacked quite a bit, and that allowed my heart to kind of close up a little bit, and I let that anger and frustration in. So in doing that, I thought, okay, so now I need to focus on love. And I wanted to do a prayer journal entry on love and how I need to love more whenever that frustration tries to take a hold of me or I'm getting really aggravated with people. I need to remember that I need to love people. And it's not that I don't love people, it's just sometimes I let it get away from me. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Like, we can love people just as much as they can be loved, but then sometimes we're like, but I know personally that I need to buckle down and focus more on love and let that anger and frustration go. Because even before I started this walk with God, well, I guess not even before, because I've kind of been on this journey my whole life. It's just, you know, when I decided to buckle down and really live for the Lord and not myself, back before that, I was a very angry and frustrated person. Everybody got on my nerves. I was the kind of person that would just go tell off the wait staff at a restaurant, or, you know, not hold back any of my frustration that I had with people. And I don't ever want to get in that place again. So I need to make sure that I am actively keeping control of myself and asking God for help. Because without his help and without the word and my devotion to God, then I kind of get lost. And so since I did the prayer journal entry on my anger and frustration, now I knew it's time to focus on love. so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I love interacting with y'all. It brings me such joy to just make new friends and experience other people through this channel. I really appreciate every single one of you. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so that we can help each other in our faith and our walk with God. Bye, y'all.